2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, fog lights, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, front bucket seats, power driver's seat. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.